What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add notes to Outlook email. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Microsoft Outlook email, or you can type Outlook, or you can type Outlook email, or if you want to go through the link, you can just simply type in outlook.live.com. After typing, you will see this type of interface of outlook.com. But remember guys, if you haven't signed in or logged in with your email on Outlook, you won't be able to see this dashboard. So first, sign in or log in with your email and password, and then you will be able to see this type of dashboard. Now on your right side at the top, you can see the option of note. Click on this one note feed, and after that you have the option to add a note. Click on this and then you can add a note like this, and when you are done, your changes have been saved. You can just simply hit enter and then your note is saved. So this is how you can add your notes to Outlook email. And that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.